Hello, today I will show you how to open the device and what are the options for upgrading. First, it is necessary to unscrew 18 screws. We have two slots with DDR4 memory. The device can be upgraded also with one SSD SATA disk. To remove the hard drive or SSD SATA drive, unscrew the 4 screws and disconnect the connector. Carefully remove the bottom cover of the device, under which is motherboard. To disconnect the battery, pull the connector down. The device can also be upgraded with an M.2 SATA SSD. I hope the video helped you. You can subscribe for free for new videos.